Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on this CRV. The issue is water is leaking from the cowl and going into the passenger floorboard. The fix is we have to take the cowl off and reseal around the passenger side so water will not get into the vent. To do that, we're going to be taking off the wiper arms and then the cowl. The cowl will consist of clips on the bottom and clips on top. So I'll just be walking you through how to take these top ones off. So for me, I like to have a cloth or paper towel on both sides. And on both sides, just put the picks in this detent area and then pry outward. For the bottom ones, there's two ways to get them out. However, you're going to need pliers, preferably 45-degree angle needle nose. So for one way, you can squeeze the bottoms of the clip. And then it will come out just like that. Another way, you can take the top, twist it about 45 degrees, and right there, it's already disengaged from the cowl. So at this, it's kind of hard to push out of the cowl, but it's no longer into the middle of the car. So if you just twist all of them at 45-degree angle, they'll all pop out. All these clips do take a while to take out, so I'll be doing them off camera, and I'll see you when the cowl is off. So now we have the cowl off. You can see the seal is pretty crispy. So we're going to be replacing the seal on top and then this one. And the reason why it leaks water inside is the water will flow from the windshield, collect in here, and then flow right into your air duct. So we want to make sure the seal is really well right here and right here, so water doesn't get past here to go inside your car. So we're going to start by just removing the old seal. And then the top one. Okay. So next all I'm going to do is just clean the area where the seal sat. Now I'm going to clean where the seal will sit on the car. Okay, so what I bought to replace the seal is this window seal. See, it's black and it's almost the same thickness as the original. So we're actually going to stick the foam tape straight onto the vehicle, because sometimes when you're putting the cowl back in place, it'll slip off of the cowl. So just ensure that it's going to sit in a spot whenever you get the cowl back on. Perfect. Just like that. And then make sure it's seated properly. Perfect. Now I'm just going to apply the seal on the windshield from one side to the other side. So next we're going to be putting the cowl back in. So now we have the cowl in place. We actually had to shimmy it in. We had to put in this corner first, adjust the hood up and down to get it in place, but you just go through this corner under the hood and then push it in through that corner. It'll take at least 2 people to do it. I'm just going to be adjusting the tape because you can see it's sticking up just a little bit here. So just pushing it in just a little bit so it's not going to be protruding once we snap this back in place. So we're going to be pushing these clips into place. Okay. Now we'll just attach this. If your CRV or any 90s Honda is leaking water onto your passenger floorboard, this fix only cost us $4 and took us about an hour's worth of time, so it's worth doing. I hope this video helped. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next repair. We're going to be pushing these clips into place.
Okay. There we go.
Wait, how do I usually start it?